So I'm trying to figure out what my issue is. I noticed some leaking here on the tie rod. All this oil, I think it comes just from the oil plug, but I don't see how that would come up that high. And then this is my CV axle, which pretty sure it ain't supposed to do that. And then if you look at the other end, that one's not that bad. But back in here, it's dark, and you can see that there's like some fluid on it, which I'm guessing that means I have a bad CV axle. But if you know anything more than I do, please let me know.